Hello and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to do a quick review of my 1 by 24 scale Porsche. This is from the Bburago brand and this is a very highly detailed scale model. It's a collectible scale model. It is not like any diecast toy car. It is a very detailed sports car. As you can see, the wheels have chrome, a lot of chrome. The doors open up and it's a very detailed toy car. The level of plastic in this toy car is marvelous. The interiors are also detailed, and as you can see, I have the boot that opens to reveal the engine, and over there under the floor pan there is the detailed engine bay. It's a flathead six-cylinder engine with detailed exhaust and transmission, and this is a 1 by 24 scale. There's a detailed suspension also, and the level of detailing in this car is simply awesome. I mean, if you compare that with any other Chinese made toys like Maestro or Motomax, I think this one scores more than that. Although the price was lot less when I bought it for to add it in my collection, but I still feel like the today's Chinese made toy cars are not that great. This was an amazing piece of uh, uh, die cast collectible item, and this is still, I think, one of the best collections that you can have it. If you keep it on your desk, it looks marvelous. It is beautiful, and it's an amazingly detailed toy car. I have few other toy cars that you can see here. I have a lot of them, and let me show you one more such toy car that I have. This is the Ferrari F50. I have already made a video of it and posted it in YouTube my channel. So I have this Shelby. This is Shelby Cobra. This one is also a detailed uh, scale model. There's a radiator, there's an engine, there's a Carol Shelby signature is also there. I hope you can see it. It's an amazing piece of, I would say it's a piece of item. It's a collectible item. The quality of plastic is brilliant. I mean, look at the. It looks like a very expensive scale model. And if you talk about 1 by 24 scale, these are a few models which are highly detailed. Look at the chrome in the wheels. There's a disc rotor also, and underneath there is a Borla exhaust transmission and the detailed engine bay. The wheels also turn left and right with the steering. I hope you can see it. It's a beautiful scale model, and I think a milestone. This one is not a Bburago. Now this one is a Bburago. This one is a Bburago, and this one is from Maisto. So Maisto is a parent company of Bburago now, but initially they made few of these highly detailed toy cars, but they produced it in a very low numbers. If you are lucky, you can easily find it in Amazon or Flipkart, or you may also find it in some websites like Scale Arts in, or there are a lot of other toys websites are there. You can search for this model and you can easily get it, but the price would be too high these days. I mean, these are the very few models that the scale model companies used to make. This is how they used to produce it. I mean, they used to put a lot of time and effort in making the scale models, and that's the reason why I feel like these scale models are a collectible item. And today, if you say the pricing, it's has a very high value as compared to any other 1 by 24 scale model. This is not an 18 scale model. This is 24 scale model, but it's a very big car. If you keep it on the desk, it will look gorgeous, just like my Porsche and Ferrari. This is also one of the most detailed toy cars ever produced by Maestro. This one is from Bburago, and this one is from my store, but the level of detailing is amazing. So if you like this video and if you want to order one such scale model for your collection, then please do check my description and uh, subscribe my channel. Click on the bell icon for notifications and wait for my next video, next unboxing and review video. This is going to be more interesting because I have so many scale model bikes in 1 by 18 scale, and I'm gonna make videos for all of them. Thanks for watching. Have a wonderful weekend. Bye bye.